What's going on, y'all? We're back with another video, and today we're doing what we always do, cooking with the Arringtons.
Oh, looks so good.
Today I got some jerk. Y'all see that? Jerk chicken breasts. They've been marinating in the refrigerator. Essie marinated them for me. I just got off work, so she had that going for me already.
Like my husband said, we're grilling as always. It's summer. Beautiful day. Look like it's gonna pour down. Now let me turn it over to my baby. Look at you, baby. Straight off work, grilling. What you love to do best. Ooh, y'all, if y'all only could smell it. A lot of people ask, what is your secret? Because a lot of people don't understand how to cook on this gas grill, baby.
Well, that's why it's a secret. My secret is gonna stay a secret. Y'all, look, this is one of the secrets. Look at the jerk sauce. Dip it in there. Pinch of jerk sauce on there, that way it'll stay nice and juicy and flavorful.
Ooh, looks juicy. Our nice big grill, as y'all can see, which my husband loves.
Let's see what Sean doing over here. Hey man, this your bracelet? Y'all got what? Y'all got candy all in the grass.
I dare you. Who dare me to get in here and jump?
Hey, y'all want to see Essie jump? I want to see her hit a flip. It's about to be funny, y'all.
Shut up! Sean, let's get in. You guys remember we're at Sky Zone?
Sky Zone Part 2.
Stop!
Make her fall, y'all. Make her fall. Oh, what was that? Hey, y'all, I'm about to instant replay that. Oh, do that again.
I tried to touch my legs.
Have you ever been able to touch your legs?
Probably when I was younger.
She said probably. Oh my God. Hey, y'all, don't try that at home. Yeah, look, Sean, he can do it.
Mom, I can do it. Yeah. Watch this. I'm sad. Yeah, watch this. I'm sad. Yeah. Watch this. Oh. You know what? What was smart? You would never guess, y'all. How many chicken breasts that was? That was 4 chicken breasts. I took 4 chicken breasts and made it 7.
Yeah, that's how I knew you grew up in the project. Mama gonna work it out. Mama gonna work it out. Man, I think I want me a jerk chicken sandwich. Hey, y'all ever had a jerk chicken sandwich?
Ooh.
Don't that sound good?
Yeah.
That's like a po' boy sandwich with a little lettuce and tomato. On some good bread. What up, Sean? You don't know nothing about this.
Let me record him now, y'all. What you got? What you got? Let me see you on the trampoline.
Hey, look, man, I've been at work for what? 12 hours?
I just challenged him. Let's see what happens. We invite you to our everyday life, guys. Bring you along every day. Let's see. Let's see what Dad got. Replay that. Replay. One more time. Let's see what you got. You got one more in you? Oh. Oh, go Daddy. Oh. Yeah. What was that? That was a replay for real.
You can't do that.
No, I can't do that. Make Daddy fall. Shannon, make Daddy fall. Make Daddy fall. Make him fall, Sean. Yeah. Make him. Get him. Get him. Make him fall. Get him, y'all. Get him. He just got work. Oh, good job. Okay. Oh, good job. Look at that chicken, y'all. Y'all, man, I wish y'all was here, MTA squad. Oh, I would share all this with y'all. Look at this. Hey, y'all. We back. We got some potatoes boiling for some good old mashed potatoes. And we got some seasoned garlic string beans. Finna be on and popping. And we got our, what is this, baby?
My 90-second Uncle Ben's ready rice, baby. Red beans and rice. I'll see what that say. That's that New Orleans style. Y'all see it. New Orleans style red beans and rice. That's all I eat.
Yeah.
Don't I eat that all the time?
All day, every day. You see what we had at our little fun Sunday. He loves New Orleans food.
What are those? Wait, what you doing in them grapes?
You be a monster coming.
Wash your hands? No.
Yeah, look.
You just gonna dig in the grapes?
That's what he did.
You stealing grapes?
I wash my hands.
Boy, you gonna turn into a grape. Those my grapes. Boy, did you use soap on them hands? I didn't see no soap.
I guess you need more.
Where the soap at? Let me smell it. Let me.
No, it's not.
What? Boy, what is you doing?
He sucks at pitching.
Is y'all playing soccer or baseball?
God, perfect. When you suck at your hit.
I don't want any skills.
Oh. Boy, you suck.
Let's see how this chicken looking. These up here done. They can come off. Hey, what y'all fighting over?
Stop, they gonna hurt themselves.
Oh, Sean stronger than you? Man, they always fighting. Oh.
A few moments later.
Hey, break it up. Break it up. Break it up. Break it up, your little boy. Y'all gonna be itching. Y'all gonna be itching. Oh, hey, stop. Oh, stop.
Okay, guys, so now I'm about to smash the potatoes. Smash. So what I like to put in mine is ranch, as everyone knows, a little salt, a little pepper, and then I'm gonna add some butter. My kids love their mashed potatoes. What, Shannon? Buttery. And then I put whole milk in there to give it a little softness. And then I get my homemade smash and go to town. Smash the potatoes. And I also add, guys, I know this thing. I learned this. I looked at this guy who does a cooking show online, and he adds a little sour cream in it. It gives it like a really creamy taste to it. So I add sour cream to my potatoes. This is what you call homemade. I don't bake box potatoes because a lot of people do box potatoes and my kids hate them. So I have to make homemade mashed potatoes. As you go what you need.
Boy, if you don't get.
Alright, y'all. So while she's over there doing that, I'm gonna do the hard part. The 90-second rice. First thing you gotta do, you gotta mash it up. You gotta break all the rice up. See, rice already done.
So what is that for me? What is it? So you basically just warm it. Because it's already cooked.
Yeah, it's already cooked. Look, you can see it in the bottom. Alright, then you gotta tear it just a little bit.
Yeah, the rest of you let it pop and explode.
Yeah, hey, make sure you tear this bag. I'll put it in here, then tear the bag.
And explode everywhere.
Yeah, it pop. Can you open that for me?
Yes, I can.
So if you don't know how to count, 90 seconds is 33 times. 1, 2, 3, bow. 130 seconds. Ain't no 90.
Yes, you can. All you gotta do is put 9-0.
You stupid.
They're not.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
You stupid.
Well, I do it that way. I do it the easy way.
That's easier.
You grounded. Boy, what is you doing?
Orange justice.
What is that?
That's kind of close. It's like this. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're making their plate.
Alright, y'all, so here go the finished product. How'd that look to y'all? Y'all see the nice glaze? That's a jerk glaze on the barbecue chicken with the red beans and rice with the string beans. Everybody plate looking all good. SJ don't want to eat his vegetables. Look at that face. He don't want to eat vegetables. Oh, hey, buddy, where you come from? You gonna eat all your food? Alright, y'all, we about to go ahead and eat dinner. We're gonna holler at y'all later, alright? MTA squad.
They fighting over the
It's
chicken.
delicious.
Oh man, look, they banging that chicken. Jay got extra. Shannon just got extra.
Not Sean.
Oh, Sean just got extra.
A few moments later.
Look, we all done eating.
Not Chad.
Somebody about to go take a dookie.
It's not. She got second. Don't post that. Who said don't post that?
You don't tell me. Sean done.
Justin been drinking that Bayou.
Dang, ma. You was hungry?
Heck yeah. Tell him, babe, this is my second.
Well, let me get some of that potato.
How the potato taste?
Tastes good. What you say, Sean?
Justin been drinking that Bayou.
That Bayou.
If you watch Madame 2, you'll get it.
You know what that means? That juice.
Oh, the bee juice. Oh, I'm telling your brother, he called him a bee.
But he just a dork. He just a dork.
He just a dork.
Y'all call. Alright, y'all. So we just got through eating. We about to clean this kitchen up. Then we're gonna go upstairs to our movie room.
Yeah.
Settle in, get ready for a nice movie. We'll let y'all get a little piece of that, then we end this vlog, alright? MTA squad. Alright, y'all, so we up here in our bonus room, aka theater room, aka the red room, aka Essie's women's cave. And man, guess who's winning, y'all? You guessed it.
Inside, misses. Rebound Thompson, but couldn't hold on.
Hate the cat.
Draymond Green is one man to beat.
I already knew LeBron was gonna win at home.
Steps into a three and
What?
knocks it
Not for
down.
long.
Kevin Durant with 27.
Not for long.
And it's a
Not
two-point game.
for long.
That's what that say. I like that.
Great find by Green.
Our popcorn machine. Our little refrigerator.
Kevin Durant has now had 25 or more.
You comfortable over there, dude?
All 13.
Alright, y'all, so we're about to go ahead and watch this game. Then we're gonna get into a movie. We're gonna holler at y'all later, alright?
Dress it up and make it real for me.